myself Ravi Karan. So I had this pilonidal sinus surgery that happened on 9th of May. So this problem I had since last 6-7 years. So that was first kind of a diagnosis. Initially I went through homeopathy and all those things. But then again it resurfaced in somewhere around March or something, and it had really grown really painful and all that. But when I came to healing hands, I came to know about healing hands from my other friends and all that, and I came to know a very good assurance was given by Ashwin Porwal that don't worry, we'll do it and you'll be really good, and this surgery will go smooth. I was a bit skeptical, I was a bit afraid because I've never gone through any kind of a surgery or operation in any time in my life. So I was a bit scared, but I think it happened really well, and the stay was really good. And then post follow-ups, whatever it took around 2.5 months every time I used to come, so it was really good. So the staff, supporting staff, everything was really good, and every time somebody used to call me through phone that are you feeling okay and everything all good. So I think I had a very good experience with healing hands, and I would recommend everyone that they can come here for issues related to pilonidal sinus. Thank you.